Hey guys, it's Matt Monday again. Today we're going to talk again about how to improve your print speed, and we'll focus on scan speed today. So this is a very basic concept. If you change your scan speed to make that faster, you will be done faster with the laser emission, and so you will faster with the print. However, the same as with hatch distance, there are physical limits. So if you increase your scan speed, you will also have to increase your laser power in order to have the same energy density. And you cannot keep doing that infinitely, because eventually you will scan faster than the material can absorb the energy. So basically, if you're a powder grain, you just see the light flicking on for a short amount of time, and the time is not enough to absorb even large amounts of energy. So this will give you a limitation eventually, but typically the amount of laser power you can supply will run out way before this comes into effect. We printed some cubes here where you can again see the difference in scan speed and the difference in density, and this will have an effect. If you scan too fast with not enough laser power, it will cause you to generate pores. But as long as you're within the limits of your process, you will be fine by changing these parameters. So here you can see the scanning of one of our benchmark parts, and this first part is scanned with our standard parameters, and as you can see here on the second part, it is scanned faster, which will result in a faster print speed. So I hope this quick tip was helpful, and see you guys next time.